Welcome to hot thrilling shockwave updates today. Elon Musk, the tech billionaire and CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, has made headlines with a Trump-like criticism of President Joe Biden, stating, "We haven't had a president." This bold remark came amidst increasing speculation about Musk's political leanings and potential influence on the upcoming USA election. Known for his innovative contributions to technology and space exploration, Musk has always been a figure of interest in both the business and political realms. His companies, Tesla and SpaceX, have revolutionized electric vehicles and space travel, respectively, making him one of the most influential entrepreneurs of our time. Recently, Musk revealed that he is leaning away from President Biden but does not have plans to endorse former President Donald Trump, at least not yet. This statement followed a meeting with Trump in Palm Beach, Florida, in early March, which sparked rumors that the former president might be seeking Musk's endorsement or financial support for his campaign or legal battles. In an interview with former CNN anchor Don Lemon, published on Monday, Musk clarified that the meeting with Trump was unplanned on his part. He denied that Trump had asked him for money or his support. "I was at a breakfast at a friend's place, and Donald Trump came by, that's it," Musk said, adding that his unnamed friend only informed him that Trump would be coming after Musk had already arrived. Musk emphasized, "I'm not paying his legal bills in any way, shape, or form. And he did not ask me for money." The interview, which was posted on YouTube, has garnered significant attention, especially since Musk abruptly cancelled Lemon's streaming deal on X, formerly Twitter, following the interview. During the interview, Lemon pressed Musk for more details about his breakfast with Trump and inquired whether Musk would financially contribute to either presidential campaign or endorse a candidate. Musk, known for his candid and often unfiltered responses, humorously recounted the breakfast encounter. "Let's just say he did most of the talking," Musk said about Trump, laughing afterward. "The normal things he says. There was nothing particularly groundbreaking or new, but he, President Trump, likes to talk. And so he talked. I don't recall him saying anything he hasn't said publicly. That was it, it was just a breakfast." Musk's comments and actions continue to fuel speculation about his political affiliations and the potential impact of his endorsements. As someone who has significantly influenced various industries and amassed a considerable following, Musk's opinions carry weight. His recent criticism of Biden and ambiguous stance regarding Trump have left many wondering how he might influence the political landscape as the USA election approaches. Stay tuned for more updates and insights as we continue to follow this developing story. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more breaking news from the Shockwave updates.